back.
Now we learned everything about peanut butter. It was worth it.
Morning. This is the kind of places you find me normally on a Saturday morning.
Saturday morning, you go to the peanut.
1 hour drive. The reason is totally obvious. We're going to this peanut sauce village.
Yes.
I cannot even say the name of the village, but let's give it a try.
That would have been my next question. But not the gate is great. It's not gold, but golden gate. Plastic, pure plastic.
It's famous for its peanut sauce. Peanut sauce. Yeah.
And this is a factory.
Yeah.
I don't even like peanuts.
Me neither.
So why are we here?
I don't really know. That's soya. Means
Soya.
But it's peanut. In this one. That's oh, look at it.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Looks a bit like.
So how long do you have the peanut in this bottle?
6 tháng đến 12 tháng.
Lifespan to 15 stars in December.
Something like that.
Yeah.
15 stars in December.
Yeah.
That's how long they keep it in
Đây
there.
là đặc sản tương bần.
Dirt bike engine. It's dirt bike engine. Yeah.
Yes.
Building bug, young blood, young. It's something young. This is just started. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So it's the young peanut.
Young.
This is older peanut.
Ngày 6 tháng.
Nice all the time.
Yes, this is for all the occasions.
Okay. Time to go back.
Now we learned everything about peanut butter. It was worth it.
1 hour drive.
To see something we don't even like. Just the smell makes me.
Gardener, this is the old man who's running his business. It's quite beautiful.
Okay.
All right, Nirko, I think we need coffee.
At least coffee.
At least coffee. And maybe
Start
some
with.
more factory. I have one more.
We have a guide.
Another place. Okay, still peanuts. You have visitors. Long time no see.
I thought it was a laundry or something.
It's a totally another place, but still.
We will not see the difference. Really.
Mirko from Italy.
Italian.
Italian. Football player.
Okay.
We are very interested in peanut sauce, so we are visiting this place for our interest.
Hello.
Okay, number one.
Number one.
Đến xem tương này, biết các thứ này. Không, không.
No.
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 No peanuts for us. So we got no details this time. Can we see the peanut butter? No. Okay. That's it. He's not in a good mood today.
Cái biển tương ở ngoài cái check in ở trên mạng nó có ấy.
Yeah. The process. We want to learn.
We're a little bit stuck in the conversation.
Yes. They don't really care about us. The old man is
Total
bitter
confusion
like
here.
crazy.
Okay, I think we are happy.
It's very nice, yes. Now we know more. Smells like crazy.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Xin cảm ơn anh.
Sao biết tiếng Anh à? Không biết.
Đây rồi.
Xem không?
He wants us to try the butter, the
Có
sauce.
xem không?
Không.
Không cảm ơn. Không cảm ơn.
Có ăn không?
No.
To eat? Come.
We are here just for smelling.
Okay.
We are like
We are enlightened.
yes. Third, yes.
Yeah.
Third factory, zero information. Do the trick, otherwise we are stuck here the whole day.
Nói Hugo ở đấy, nói vào đấy.
Lost in translation.
Speak one more time, please.
Tương cường cải, chị nói là tương cường cải.
No, it's
It's cabbage.
cabbage. That's why it smells like. Okay, it's not okay. It's not the
Yeah,
penis.
Okay.
Penis sauce.
I get.
Cabbage. Okay. Okay, wrong factory.
Think about it. Yeah.
It's good we said no when we said, do you want to taste? Just a spoon of cabbage. Thank you.
Tự tìm check in.
Maybe we go to the shop. The cabbage factory. Bye, bye. Big fail.
That's what the total confusion. Started talking about peanuts. This is a little bit too much, maybe, to give us a present.
She's leaving soon, so.
Yeah. How many? Almost for free.
It looks disgusting. It's like you. This one. Yes. He pays. I don't understand anything.
Okay.
Chấm các loại thịt luộc,
Oh, okay.
thịt lợn luộc này, đậu rán này, cá rán này, rồi bò rán, các loại.
Super.
Gave you the instructions how to eat it.
Yes.
And now
I picked up a couple of words. She said thick down, which means pork meat and chicken.
okay.